Hi everyone, it's Kieran here at Magical Traveller. Hope you're having a great day. Today we are on board the beautiful Valiant Lady here in Barcelona. We are at the end of our 7-night sailing. We have had an incredible time on board, and I just thought I'd give you a quick little look around at Sea Terrace here on board Valiant Lady. Now, there are multiple classes of Sea Terrace. This is the leading category you'll be able to get if you wanted a Sea Terrace that has a non-obstructed view. Once you change, then you go into kind of Central Sea Terrace, so you're going to be in a slightly more central location. Or they do have a slightly obstructed view Sea Terrace if you wanted to maybe save a little bit of money, but still get access to a beautiful balcony as well, so you kind of get those amazing ocean views while you are sailing as well around the Mediterranean or the Caribbean on board Valiant Lady. But let's just give you a quick little look around. So I'm going to start off straight away in kind of the closet or wardrobe space, just so you can see what that looks like. So over here you can see now you do have a kind of hanging area there to hang clothes on, with plenty of storage space at the top as well for storing bags, hats, jackets, things like that if you need them. And then just to draw your attention to this here, this is, as soon as you walk in, you've got your door there. This is the main light switch as soon as you walk in, but then also here as well is your do not disturb and your room service lights as well. So just push them if you don't want to be disturbed, particularly if you've had a late night in Ibiza and you don't want to be woken up early, hit that to make sure you don't get woken up. But also if you are popping out, use this button. It's just a really great way as well to let the cabin crew know that you are looking to have your room serviced. And then you've got storage space here as well if you wanted to store bags or shoes or things like that. And you've got this rack area as well, which we've been using as a bit of a shoe rack, but you can use it for whatever you want if you wanted to store clothes or jackets there as well. Totally flexible. And again, don't be afraid to ask for more hangers. The hangers are color coded so they know the ones that live in the room or the ones that have been asked to be put in the room. You then have, and I love this is then a net. So you don't have a typical cupboard door, but you have this gorgeous kind of shimmery, multicolored net, which looks great. I love it. Looks really, really cool. Then you've got this tall storage unit here, which is where you'll find a full-length mirror. Hey everyone. And then this is where you'll find things like your life vests. There's a hairdryer in here. You've got a safe as well. And you've got as well then drawer storage space if you need it as well. So you've got 4 drawers, 2 short ones, 2 full-length ones. So again, we've been using these for things like underwear, socks and things like that. And then more towels there should you need them at the bottom. And then just going across then, this is where the bin is. So we have been using this room, so apologies if you see things in bins or you see towels not kind of freshly laid or you see watermarks. We are just literally about to check out. So just keep in mind this room would obviously be refreshed and nude for you when you do come in. We have been in it for 7 days. So here then as well, you've got this little unit here, which is where your minibar is. Now they're not stocking the minibars at the moment, but you can totally use this if you wanted to store things like water, soft drinks you buy yourself, you can bring on and pop in the fridge if you wanted to keep them chilled. We've just been using it to store water, just so we had water ready for when we left the ship and went out and explored the ports each day. Now, usually these water bottles are stocked. You usually get one, but you can ask for more. They are usually placed here as well then, so they're kind of out of the way. So you've got all this cabinet space on the top if you wanted to put things like laptops we've been using, so we've been working while we're here, but things like that as well. You have a little chair there as well, so you can obviously use that anywhere in the room, but obviously designed to be used at the table space. And then as for kind of the dressing vanity area, you do have this space here. I will get to the tablet ever so briefly. You have this really lovely night light here as well if you need to use it, as well as then the phone should you need to. Now you can contact your kind of stateroom host or your cabin host. You can contact Sailor Services, which is kind of the guest services on board, all via the app, all via the tablet, or worst case scenario, if you're a bit more traditional, you do also have a phone unit as well. We've had no issues getting in touch with anybody via the app. It works great. They're really responsive. Any questions you've got, they'll come back to you. So you don't need to kind of be in your room to be able to get any help if you're out and about. There's your vanity mirror. And again, I don't know if you quickly noticed that, but I love the color changing effect on this mirror. It mesmerizes me every single time I walk past it. I'm like, oh, it's so cool, it changes color. But yeah, you've got that there then as well, which is your little vanity area if you wanted to get ready to the room as well. And it does have a backlight, which I might as well show you this now here. This is one of my favorite things about Virgin. So you've got this really cool tablet that controls the room. Now, this will be where you'll watch all your films. So if you do want to kind of watch a film late at night or you're having a lazy morning in, you can go through here then and you've got all your film options. You literally press play on here and it will automatically start over on the TV for you. It's really, really clever. So you can have that in bed, fully control the TV unit. But you can also then as well, like I say, request things like fresh towels, cabin service, whether you want laundry picked up, if you need to notify them of any maintenance issues you've got, or to change the bed configuration. And then this is also where you're going to find your room controls as well. So you can turn on things like the ceiling lights, the ambient light, and the desk light can all be controlled from here as well. So again, no need to get out of bed and turn on all the different lights if you wanted to. You can also control the thermostat without having to get out of bed, which again is really cool. There's also a really cool feature, which if I bring it up, I'm not sure if I can do this with two hands, so bear with me. You've got curtain control as well, which should close the curtains if I've hit that properly. Nope. Normally, that'll be how you control the curtains. We are checking out, so they may have turned off things like this now just to get us out of the room, to stop us playing about with the room. Oh, there you go. Now, when you do first walk into your room, what's really nice, the very, very first time, all the curtains are closed. But as you open the door, the room knows that you're in it and the lights come on and those curtains open to really welcome you into the room. It's a really, really lovely touch. But yeah, that's how you control that from there. One little, not hidden feature, but one kind of really cool feature about your room as well with Virgin, they have these kind of moods you want to set. So say if you're a little bit hungover, you can push the hangover mode and the room will then set itself to give you a really nice ambient, I'm hungover, I don't need bright lights type of vibe, which is really cool. But then say if you're getting pumped up and you kind of want to get ready to go out, push this one, and again, the room will change, the lights will change. And then there is even, if you're ready to kind of get in the mood at the end of the night, there's a get it on mode, which when the TV's on, the TV's off at the moment, it does also play some sexy music as well in your room. Really fun touch as well, but it's just kind of cool and nice to have that. So you've got those different moods that you can activate here from the tablet, which is a lot of fun. So I'm just going to turn all the lights back on again, just so you can see me properly. That lives there and charges. If you forget to charge it, again, your cabin host will charge it for you when they come back into the room. But again, you also have a traditional remote control if you do need to navigate the TV in the traditional format as well. You have this really cool red book in your room, which is kind of like just a guide to run down of the ship. So it's kind of how your cabin's laid out, where to find things on board. Lots of details and background about Virgin Voyages and what makes them so special, and also what it means to set sail the Virgin Way. I've got loads of videos on the channel talking about kind of what it means to set sail the Virgin Way and what they're doing to kind of shake up the cruise industry. So if you want to know a little bit more about what that means, definitely check out some of our other videos as well. Then into the main bedroom space. Just quickly jumping over here, you do have this really nice chair with this movable table. So you can use this table. I've used her as a desk this week, so we've been working so I can relax in this chair with the power units on the side there. But you can obviously use this in the bed if you wanted to. Say if you have room service or you take a pizza back to your bed, you've got another table there as well for kind of eating or whatever in the bed as well. And then you go into the bed. Now, this bed's really comfy. We love sleeping on board Virgin Voyages because the beds are so comfy. You get a really lovely pillows. Now, they are twin beds pushed together, but again, you don't really notice kind of that gap in them because they are so big and spacious. If you are sharing in a twin configuration, what they'll do is this bed here will be laid this way, and then they'll twist this bed around here to go kind of where this little stand is, and you'll have your two beds there as well next to each other if you are sharing in a twin configuration. So really great. You then also have these night lights. Now, these aren't controllable via the app. These are manual, but you've got these as well as kind of bed night reading lights if you want, as well as this light under here as well, which can also be turned on and off via the tablet. As for kind of lights and power, that's going to be your light switch again. So if you can't find the tablet or you forget where you put it, you can control the lights from the bed as well from there, and there's some on the other side as well. But then power-wise, you've got there your USB sockets and an American adapter plug. And then on the other side of the bed, you've got the same thing again as well. So you've got USB sockets and a light switch as well. So both people, no matter where you're sleeping in the bed, can control all the features of the bed. And again, this side then has this little handy drinks holder as well, which was recently added when they kind of had feedback from Scarlet Lady, just to kind of give you a hard service putting drinks on rather than the soft service here, surface here, which is really, really nice. TV, and again, the really nice wood paneling. And then again, you've got your controls. So this does control the curtains for you again. So again, don't panic about if you can't find the tablet, you don't know what it is. You can control the curtains from this as well here, which is a really nice feature. And then to the highlight of any Sea Terrace onboard Virgin Voyages, just to give you a little look out, and you can see we are in Barcelona at the moment. You've got your beautiful hand-woven hammock. Now, these are hand-woven by women in Thailand to help support the local community in Thailand, but also as well to empower women in the area as well. So you can just see that they're 100% hand-woven. Every single Sea Terrace has a hammock, so you can relax in the privacy of your own kind of Sea Terrace on board Virgin Voyages, taking in gorgeous views the day we're in Barcelona. but we've been to Ibiza, we've been to Albia, and we've been to Marseille on this sailing as well, with 2 overnights, one in Marseille and one in Ibiza. So it's been really, really lovely just to kind of, while we're getting ready or relaxing, and maybe recovering in that hammock as well, just watching the world go by. But what an absolute treat and delight this is, but we love this. But yep, you've got your 2 tables, or your 2 chairs even, sorry, in the tables. If you want to kind of sit or eat out here, you can totally do that as well, and plenty of space to relax. And then quickly, just before we go, back over here into the bathroom, just to show you that. Here's where you're gonna have your hard thermostat control as well, so just quite straightforward, up or down on that front. So there's bathroom light here, and then just show you the bathroom. Again, it's a standard cruise bathroom. I really like it. It's quite functional, so you've got a full vanity mirror there as well with the lights, which is really, really great for getting ready. But then you've also got then as well the red flower toiletries, which we really love. They're quite like peppery scented, but again, really great sustainable toiletry range on board, which is really important to the Virgin Voyages brand, as well as then place to store things. And you'll see little notes as well about like how to be more sustainable and things like that, which comes down to obviously towel usage and things like that as well, and what you're using in what bins and recycling, things like that. Now, towels usually laid out lovely. We've just folded them there out of the way because we have, like I say, used this room this morning to get ready. You've got a towel rail, the usual features you expect in a bathroom, as well as then those beautiful toiletries. Now you are going to get your body wash, hair wash and conditioner included, as well as kind of a hand soap as well. And this shower head is honestly incredible for a cruise shower head. It is so powerful, so it's really nice and kind of massaging, I guess. You get that hydrotherapy moment coming from it. I really look forward to showering when I'm on board Virgin Voyages because the showers are just absolutely incredible. But again, really spacious shower unit as well. So I'm quite tall, I'm 6 foot, and I don't struggle to feel like I'm kind of, you know, claustrophobic in this shower. I've got plenty of room to spread out, get ready, make sure I get a full on, you know, shower going on in the mornings and the evenings. Especially when you're kind of busy at sea and you want to cool down. Really nice to come back and have that really lovely hydrotherapy shower unit as well going on here. You also have a hand wand as well, so if you need to kind of, you know, target different areas, again, really great pressure on that as well. So love, 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 love the showers on board Virgin Voyages. So guys, that's kind of it really. This is the beautiful, like I say, Sea Terrace on board Valiant Lady. If you are ever thinking of booking a Virgin Voyage, we would absolutely love to help you find the right ship, the right sailing. Virgin Voyages are a fantastic brand. We really, really love sailing with them ourselves personally. This is our 3rd sailing we've done with Virgin Voyages. I think it's going to be one of many, many more. Like I say, if you are thinking of taking a Virgin Voyage, if you want to buy or book a packaged holiday as well, you can only book them with travel agents. So it's definitely something we'd love to help you do if you want to kind of fly here to Barcelona to join Valiant, or maybe you want to go to kind of Athens and sail the Greek Isles with Valiant Lady. We would love to help you do that. Or equally, if you want to go to the Caribbean, you then in the winter you have all 3 ships, but then all year round you have Scarlet Lady based in the Caribbean as well, sailing from Miami. So definitely, if you would like to book on those holidays, we'd love to chat to you. All the best, guys. Take care. Bye.